Magnolia Room is traditional Southern food. Decades old, treasured family recipes prepared in the old way. Nothing new, nothing fancy, but honest, fresh cooking. Really, your best Southern cooking is not in restaurants. It's usually at your grandmother's, your aunt's, at a church social. That's where you get that memorable deviled egg, that kind of experience, not in a restaurant. But we think we are one of the few that are doing cooking that same old-fashioned way that you normally only find in people's homes. I'm Louis Squires. I'm the owner of the Magnolia Room, which is a cafeteria-style Southern cuisine restaurant here in Tucker, Georgia. My background is retail, so I am not a restaurateur. That was the big gotcha when I started this venture, that I suddenly realized I knew nothing about running a restaurant. It was originally an S&S Cafeteria. The South was full of traditional Southern cafeterias, the 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s. We all grew up eating at Southern cafeterias, but they're dying, they're retreating, they're closing. And this was a very beloved location near Tucker that was going to close. And the people working there were going to lose their jobs. And I decided that perhaps I could save it.
All right, so we have the butter here already. So I'm gonna turn it on to get it heated up. And this right here is our trout. I'll be putting 3 up in there to do the skillets with, to grill it. And I'm putting the skin down, 2 up in here. Skin down.
I don't think Southern food gets the respect it deserves. And we get called a meat and 3, and that's fine. I mean, I get it, it's kind of a nickname. But, there's a nuance to this.
And this is our catfish, all the way from Mississippi. And I just take it, this is the egg wash and the fish batter that I put up in here, and the grease. And we're gonna fry it for like 8 minutes. And then I'm gonna top it with our garnish, the lemon, because lemon is always good with catfish.
We really are serving, I think, a very, very elevated experience because of the quality and the freshness and the care that our chefs take in preparing these dishes. We serve a lot of people. On a typical weekday, we'll serve 600-700 people on a day. Now, Sundays are our biggest day, and we regularly serve over 1,000 people on Sundays. And again, it's all walks of life, but it's so nice on Sunday to see the people coming in all dressed up from church in their Sunday best and sitting down, large families, and enjoying a meal. We're proud of what we are able to contribute to the community, but Tucker's really cool. Tucker's still got that flavor of the Old South to it, and I think it's just the right spot for us. It's a huge family. We're like a circus family. We just don't know how to do anything but this.